Today I'm going to show you exactly why you should not go the cheaper route when shopping for window tint. Have you ever noticed when you're price shopping, there's a lot of shops that are really cheap and also a lot of shops that are really expensive? Well, today I'm going to show you a prime example of why you should not go the cheaper route. So this customer got her car done not even 3 days ago at another shop, and when she got her car back, it was nighttime, so it was really hard to see things. And in the morning, when she went out to her car, she noticed that there was a lot of damage on the actual car itself, and the window tint was a poor install. So she called the shop, and this shop isn't willing to honor their work or give her a refund, so she is at our shop having to pay double the price to get a satisfactory result that she was desiring the first time around. Let me show you. So the first thing we noticed when this customer got here is that this trim has damage on it. You might be asking yourself, well, how did the trim get damaged? So when you're tinting these Teslas, the window actually has to get tricked so you can get the film all the way down there so it doesn't overhang. Now, when these windows are tricked up, sometimes people will forget that they're tricked up, so they'll naturally close the door. Now, what happens is this piece of the window right here will actually nick the panel right here. So here at Autohaus, what we do to prevent damage like this from happening, since we do so many Teslas on a daily basis, we have this little plastic tool right here, and it goes into the door like this. You push it in, it tricks the window up, and let's say you accidentally forget that the window is tricked up, you close the door, it's going to stop it just like that. The unfortunate thing for this customer is she's going to have to replace this trim piece at her own expense because, like I said, the other shop is not willing to do anything about it for her. Now, the next thing that stood out to us when we were looking over the vehicle with her, she actually pointed out that there's some contamination in this driver window here. So the next thing that she pointed out when we were walking over the vehicle with her is that there's some bubbles in the window, and what that actually is contamination from a dirty install. And when we opened the car, she also pointed out that there is a gap on the window with the window film. And what we do at Autohaus is we line it up right to the top of the edge because you don't want it to look like there's any film on the car. So it helps everything look like a flawless installation. And I have this blue squeegee here. It's going to help show you that rather large gap that a customer does not desire. Now, one thing that stood out to me personally, where she asked for my opinion on, is there's these marks here on the windshield, because she did get her windshield tinted as well. And what these are actually creases. There's one right here, and then there's one right here that were the most visible as soon as I walked out to the vehicle with her. Things like this are totally preventable when you have a well-trained master installer. Teslas are a very common car, and this is a car that people should be able to do pretty easily, but however, most people for some reason are not able to do them, and that's typically due to a lack of education or a lack of training. Now, while on the topic of education, this other shop actually failed to educate her as to why tinting the back half of the vehicle is important. So as you can see, the back half of this car probably looks tinted to you, right? However, that is false. So Tesla, along with many other manufacturers these days, make their vehicles with privacy glass. So all that means is that the window film, or the window itself, is actually dyed and there's no film on the car. So you're not getting any heat rejection benefits or anything like that, simply just privacy. Now, this customer specifically wanted that, and they told her that she did not need that. So now one of our master installers here is going to be stripping the two fronts and the windshield that she originally got done, like I said, 3 days ago at another shop. And we are going to be replacing the film on this car with XPEL XR Plus, and what that's going to do is provide this customer with the maximum heat rejection benefits. But like I said, we're not doing just the two fronts and the windshield on this car. We're actually doing every window, including the sunroof. Most customers, what ends up happening is that they'll come in, they will typically get all their windows tinted, and then we typically tell them, we'll see you in 2 weeks, because all that heat is pretty focused on the tops of their heads now because there's no film there, and they want the maximum heat rejection benefits. And with a window this large, it only makes sense to have that done. So the look that this customer is getting on their vehicle is actually one of our most common, and what that is going to be a 15% look all around. You might be asking, what do you mean by 15% look? So on the two fronts, since there is no dyed glass on the two fronts, it's just clear glass, we do a 15% film on the two fronts, and then we stack the rear with a 70%, because when you have 70% window film on top of 20% dyed glass, that helps equal the 15% look. And like I said, that is the most common. that we do here at Tier 1 Autohaus. And then we are doing a 55% shade on the windshield as well as the sunroof. So that way you're not reducing your visibility while still maintaining the maximum heat rejection benefits. Now, when you're in the market shopping for window tint, it's important to remember not to always go the cheapest route, because oftentimes you'll find yourself paying twice. Here at Tier 1 Autohaus, we offer a workmanship warranty on top of our XPEL lifetime warranty for the window film itself. Now, if you're interested in any of these services that we offer, ranging between window tint, paint protection film, ceramic coatings, detailing, or even vinyl wraps, feel free to give us a call. We're happy to educate you on anything you might be interested in. Our number is 725-525-9066, and our email address is info@tier1autohaus.com, and both of those will be listed in the description below. We look forward to hearing from you.